Will rebooting my Android phone delete my data?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to answer a question that many Android phone users might have. Will rebooting my Android phone delete my data? In this short video, we will discuss what happens when you reboot your phone and whether or not your data is at risk. The main point to remember is, rebooting your phone is not the same as resetting it.
What happens when you reboot your Android phone?
When you reboot your Android phone, you're simply restarting it. This is very similar to when you shut down your computer and then turn it back on. Rebooting your phone helps clear any minor software glitches and can help your phone run more smoothly. During a reboot, no data is deleted from your phone. All your apps, photos, videos, messages, and other data will remain intact.
Does rebooting equal factory reset?
Now, there might be confusion between rebooting and performing a factory reset on your Android phone. It's crucial to understand that these are two entirely different operations. A factory reset, also known as a hard reset or master reset, is when you restore your phone to the state it was in when it left the factory. This process will indeed erase all data and settings from your device. But remember, this is not what's happening when you're simply rebooting your phone.
When should I reboot my phone?
A question often asked is, when should I reboot my phone? Well, it's a good practice to reboot your Android phone periodically, maybe once a week. This can help clear out temporary files and stop any processes that might be slowing down your phone. Rebooting your phone can keep it running smoothly without causing any loss of data. So, to wrap up, rebooting your Android phone will not delete your data. It's a safe process that can actually help improve your device's performance. However, remember to always back up your data regularly to prevent any accidental loss from other situations. I hope this video has been helpful, and you can now reboot your phone without worry. Thank you for watching.